just now I took the showers. So before the showers, I got that. I dropped that Jack Sparrow. So some Norrington is blackmailing some Elizabeth Swan for a marriage. I'll tell you what the situation is. So I get such pop-ups as per the situation. So I am the Jack who wants to escape. Huh? And when I go from here, so that Norrington is going to blackmail that Elizabeth. I don't know which world they are living in. So for marriage, or else he is gonna drop the evidences of the girl, what she did bad to me, whatever the rumors, the bank and all this shit, whatever they did. So that girl has to marry that Norrington, otherwise that boy is going to cage her. No, otherwise the boy drops her evidences. And you know what the situation is? That Norrington itself have put that a girl for to scam me. So he's the what do you call it? The game player of that thing. He's the master player. So now here is the chase. Now I'll tell you what it is. People should not be scammers should not cage other scammers. It's the police and the people who are out there who are legit, who got looted. They should cage such people, and police should. So already that boy is scammers, is a scammer, and he is caging that girl because she is also a scammer. They did it on purpose because she is also a scammer, right? So that boy is also a scammer, that girl is also a scammer. That boy is blackmailing that girl because she did the bank fraud and false accusation and all that stuff against me, and he is blackmailing her, or else he is gonna give the evidences. So he wants her in his cage. I forgive that girl. Go. If that girl says उसने मेरे को ये किया है और उसको कोई blackmail करा, जा get lost. But look, the bank and money is involved, तो मैं उसमें कुछ नहीं कर सकता, वो पुलिस प्रोसीजर है. Bank and money is involved, तो मैं उसमें कुछ भी नहीं कर. If false accusations are there, if someone is asking for my forgiveness, is apologizing me, मैं तो सीधा माफ कर देगा. Go, you are free to go. Apology accepted. But the bank and all, वो मैं क्या करूँ, वो उसका तो what can I do? क्योंकि it's a public, this has become a public matter, public issue. समझा? If those guys, the bank fraud people don't go to jail, there will be a lot of chaos. ये मैटर है. मेरे अकेले से बोलने से नहीं होएगा वो. Getting this part? क्यों? Because files are viral. ये मैटर है. समझे? That's why I was waiting. Why I waited till the court. Why I waited till those papers. There is a reason. And if someone wants to say that I am that Norrington, so to fuck off. Bench of from past 10 years I've been avoiding marriages. समझे? Past 10 years I've been avoiding running away. समझे? अभी नहीं किया तो अभी क्या करेगा? Look, what my life is, I'll tell you. I work, and while working, whining and dining is a part of my life. When I can make love to so many of them, why I will share my love with only one? If I can share my love with so many of them, why I'll share my love with only one? Try to get this part. Look, my sweat looks like glitter. So why I'll share my love only with one? मैं 10 साल से नहीं गया, अभी क्या करेगा? Let me fucking work. Stop throwing stones in my road, in my path. That's it. I work, whining and dining is a part of my life. Eh? Didn't you see before this scam what life I had? Richest of the town, NRI. Then moment these Panwati people happen, I have put them, they have Panwati on them. They are going in for prostitution. Get this part. Eh? So the one who is blackmailing that girl for marriage, she don't have to marry him. Look, if it's her choice, then she can. But if the boy wants to cage that girl, then वो बेंचोद वो कौन है कौन है वो झाटू जय क्या वो उसकी माँ की चूत. आई फॉरगिव दैट गर्ल इमिडिएटली, जो भी वो फोर्स कर रहा है उसको, समझे. तो भाई ये ज़िंदगी का मामला है, ये कुछ ऐसा ये नहीं है. ज़िंदगी मैरिज बोलो तो साथ में बिताने का ज़िंदगी. और मैं कौन सी चीज़ का किसी की ज़िंदगी के बर्बादी का या कुछ भी सिचुएशन का मैं कारण नहीं बनना चाहता. उनकी करनी उनकी भोग, उनके भोग वो मिलेंगे, उसमें ये नहीं. उनकी करनी उनके भोग वो होता है, लेकिन किसी के लाइफ का डिसीजन लेना ये मेरे चीज़ का, ये मेरे थ्रू में नहीं होने देगा. और दोनों भी स्कैमर, लड़का भी स्कैमर, लड़की भी स्कैमर. पर लड़का अभी ब्लैकमेल कर रहा है लड़की को, समझे, शादी के लिए. और हम वो है जो किसी को भी कैद में रहना नहीं, देखना नहीं चाहते, फ्री टू गो. बट द मैटर इज, but this has become a public matter that they have to face. If the fake bank account thing is there, मैं क्या करूँ उसमें, समझे. तो डाला है जब मेरे बिफोर दी शावर्स आई गॉट दैट, मैंने तभी कमेंट भी किया था. तो डाला है मैंने. So that boy is blackmailing that girl for marriage for her crimes. मैं तो I forgive the girl. है, boy is also scammer and girl is also scammer and she should suffer and he should enjoy. है, fuck off. No? I don't want to be any reason for anyone's this thing. I'll have my fun of my life the moment I work, because whining and dining is a part of my life. I work, I wine, I dine. When I can share my love with so many of them, why will I share my love with only one? So good luck, Norrington. I will get a life. Stop blackmailing your own people.